I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play 3 Marlenas on guitar with an easy guide. We'll start by placing a capo on the first fret, which helps you play in the original key using familiar open chord shapes. This approach makes learning the song much more accessible for beginners, allowing you to focus on rhythm and smooth transitions right away. For 3 Marlenas, you'll primarily use 3 open chords: D major, G major, and a major. To play D major, place your fingers on the second and third frets of the G, B, and high E strings. For G major, use your fingers on the third fret of the low E and high E strings and the second fret of the A string. Finally, for a major, place 3 fingers on the second fret of the D, G, and B strings. Practice these shapes until they ring clear. Now let's tackle the strumming. A simple and effective pattern for 3 Marlenas is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and fluid, letting the pick glide across the strings. Focus on maintaining a steady, even tempo as you practice. This consistent rhythm will help you build confidence and make the chord changes feel more natural and smooth. The beauty of 3 Marlenas is its straightforward structure. The entire song essentially repeats a 4-chord progression: D, A, G, A. Begin by practicing this sequence very slowly, ensuring each chord change is clean. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Remember to listen closely to the original recording to internalize the song's timing and overall feel. Consistent practice will have you playing this tune in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.